Hello and welcome to First Class Capital. This online tutorial is intended to provide clients with a guide on how the extension of a customer agreement is accepted by the customer. Earlier tutorials have explained how to register with First Class Capital, how to apply for credit, and how to commence a transaction or make a funding request. That funding request is one and the same process as extending a customer agreement to your client, offering them the ability to pay for an invoice by installments. On completion of that offer, a link is sent to your customer. This tutorial deals with what happens when the customer follows that link. First of all, they will see the link in their inbox. By following the link, it will take them to our Transact Payments branded trading portal. They will first of all be presented with a summary of the offer that you have made them for them to pay an invoice by installments. They select Next. The details of the invoice and the payment terms that you have offered again are summarized, and they can view the invoice that relates to the customer agreement. They can view the upfront deposit and the installments, the frequency, and the total amount payable by them. They then provide some information about themselves. They provide the type of company or customer that they are. They provide detail of the industry that they operate in. They then, if they have not used the Transact Payments portal before, will need to establish a password. They then provide information about themselves to support the fact that they're entering into a legal contract with the client who has offered the payment terms. They provide details about when their business commenced, the country it commenced, and other contact details. Bearing in mind that they will only have to do this the first time they do a customer agreement with the client. They provide the contact details of themselves. Importantly, they provide their mobile, which is going to be used for the SMS confirmation later in the process. They provide details of their trading address. They then provide contact details of the key person at the customer's business. Some personal details relating to that person, which are then used to verify their identity through the secure trading portal. The capacity in which they're entering into this, and again some personal details as to their residential address. The process is far more streamlined after the customer has completed the first transaction. Driver's license details, card number details, the state of issue, expiry date, they can view and then ultimately accept the terms and conditions of use and select next. They provide bank details, they upload a copy of their bank statement. They complete an online direct debit request authority. You can review and accept the terms and conditions of the authority, and then ultimately proceed to the next step. The next screen provides a series of acknowledgements for the customer to review and accept, confirming that they understand the terms of the offer that's being made to them by the client. This is the screen which the customer will come to the next time they complete a customer agreement. They type in yes to acknowledge that they recognise and accept the terms, and they generate an SMS code which will be sent to their nominated email. They then key in that code and submit. That completes the acceptance by the customer of the customer agreement. The next step of the process is for First Class Capital to review and approve the transaction, which completes the relationship or completes the transaction between the client and the customer in relation to the customer agreement and the funding request. Thank you.